If you're thinking about buying Exinity, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know first. Stick around because these insights will help you decide if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to other options out there. First, Exinity's user interface is incredibly intuitive. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders, which is a rare balance in the industry. While platforms like MetaTrader 4 can feel clunky and outdated, Exinity offers a smoother, more modern interface that allows you to execute trades faster. If you're used to something like NinjaTrader, you'll immediately appreciate the clean, streamlined design. Next thing, Exinity provides a range of customizable features that you won't find with every platform. For instance, you can personalize your trading dashboard to fit your specific needs. This flexibility gives you an edge in market analysis, something that platforms like eToro or Robinhood don't offer in the same depth. Having access to tools like advanced charting and automated trading strategies can be a game changer for anyone serious about getting into the market. The third thing, Exinity's market access is one of its strongest points. You're not limited to just stocks or forex. This platform provides access to a diverse range of assets, from commodities to cryptocurrencies, all under one roof. While platforms like Webull or TD Ameritrade focus on certain markets, Exinity makes it easy to trade across multiple asset classes without jumping between different accounts or exchanges. It's an excellent option for anyone looking for a single platform to diversify their portfolio. Now let's talk about customer support. Exinity offers 24/7 customer service, which is a huge plus if you're someone who trades at odd hours or if you're new to the platform. Comparing it to competitors like interactive brokers, which can sometimes have slow response times, Exinity provides much quicker assistance. Whether you need help with account setup or troubleshooting a trade, their team is right there to guide you through it. This level of support is crucial when you're dealing with real money and fast-paced markets. The fifth thing is the educational resources Exinity provides. While many platforms like Plus 500 give you some basic information, Exinity takes it a step further. You'll find webinars, tutorials, and trading guides that can help you enhance your skills. For anyone new to trading or looking to refine their techniques, these resources are invaluable. It's like having a mentor on the side, helping you avoid rookie mistakes and make smarter decisions. The sixth thing you need to know is about security. Exinity offers robust security features, including two-factor authentication and encryption, to protect your account and personal data. This is crucial, especially in today's online trading environment, where breaches are unfortunately common. When compared to some of its competitors, Exinity's focus on security gives you peace of mind that your funds and information are safe. The seventh thing you should know is that Exinity offers one of the best free trials out there. If you're on the fence about committing to the platform, they provide a completely free trial, allowing you to test everything from the interface to the available features. You won't find that level of transparency with many other platforms. And, just to make it clear, if you want to get the best deal, including exclusive benefits, be sure to click the first link in the description to access that free trial. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of trading and want to give Exinity a shot, click the first link in the description to get access to the best trial offer and unlock some special bonuses. Trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity.